Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off your iPad and unpairing the Apple Pencil. This prevents accidental input while you work. Next, use a magnifier and flashlight to examine the inner tip area for debris or a broken shaft. Once done, position the pencil on a cloth to keep small pieces from rolling away. Make sure you have a spare tip and a pair of fine tweezers at hand, because the real fix begins with carefully accessing the damaged inner tip assembly. You now unscrew the outer tip by turning counterclockwise with steady, even pressure. Avoid jerking motions that can shear threads. Once the outer sleeve is off, use tweezers to pull out any inner fragments. Extract slowly so you do not push debris further into the shaft. If plastic or adhesive holds the inner part, add a tiny drop of 90% plus isopropyl to soften bonding. Wait 30 seconds, then gently rotate and lift. This method lets you clear the channel. You finish by aligning a replacement inner shaft and carefully threading the outer tip clockwise until snug. Do not over-tighten, finger tight is enough. Once assembled, repair the pencil with your iPad and open notes to test pressure and tilt response across strokes. If performance is off, make sure the tip is fully seated and free of debris. You can clean contacts with a dry swab. If problems persist, try a known good spare tip, or repeat the debris extraction step before seeking professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.